Hey y'all, a lot of you go to the store and you walk past the shelf and you want to make banana bread, but you see banana nut, right? Muffins. So what do? Well, if you look at the back, sometimes it shows you a direction for the bread. If not, go ahead and just make it and then cook it a little longer. And the best way to keep checking it is with a toothpick. And when you use a toothpick, it comes out with stuff on it. It's not done yet. So what you want to do is get a toothpick and you want to poke it. And if it comes out nice and clear, here, let me get up close and personal with this so you can see, okay? Oh, I wish you can smell it. But look, comes out clear. That's how you know it's done. Or a fork if you don't have that. Now, what I utilized was bananas. I went ahead and took a banana. My tag's sticking out. Okay, I went ahead and got a banana and I broke it up and I blended it with it. And then some pecans. Now, even though it said walnuts, I went ahead and utilized the pecans that I had in the house. With a little bit of butter on there, spread it. Oh, parquet butter. Delicious. That's what's important. So anyway, if you want to make bread for your family for the holidays, Easter's right around the corner, pick up one of these. Any brand will do. And enjoy some banana nut bread. Just wanted to show the inside. And it's slightly moist with the butter topping. It's moist. It's tender, it's soft, the nuts are soft, but a little crunchy, just right. And the secret to this is I put a little bit of butter in the bottom of the bread pan, and I sprinkled it with a little bit of sugar. I gotta go, my phone's falling.